Okay, tree functions are actually pretty tricky, but I'm glad it's restricted on interval between 0 and pi over 2. And about the extreme values, critical points, things like that. Let's get the derivative first, and that should be relatively simple to do. So f prime, what's that going to be? By the way, Jermaine, this is between 0 and pi over 2 inclusive. That's all my critical values have to be on that interval. So let's take a look at it. It's going to be, let's see, 4 cosine of x, and then minus 4 sine of x. And so I'm going to say, when does that equal 0 in that interval? Well, I'll write this down. That would only occur when cosine of x is equal to the sine of x. All right? And that's only going to occur, at least on this interval over here, at pi over 4. So I have an interval now where there's only one critical value in the interval, and I'm going from 0 to pi over 2. And pi over 4 is dead center. What do I know about pi over 4? Well, let's go through our analysis. And, maybe I don't need to go through the analysis. I'll just simply, because they're looking for extreme at this point, and I'll evaluate, all right? I get 3 places. I'm not going to evaluate the derivative, but this is the line of where the derivative is, all right? So let's put down f of 0. By the way, the critical point is going to be pi over 4 and f of pi over 4. But I want to start talking about extreme. What's f of 0? 4. What's f of pi over 4? Let's write it down. It's going to be 4 times 1 over root 2 plus 4 times 1 over root 2. Kind of a nasty number. What's it going to give me? 8 over root 2. I'm going to rationalize it. And, root 2 times root 2 is 2, and 2 goes in 4 times, so 4 root 2. I want to point out, 4 root 2, it's kind of a nasty number. I realize that. Let me make sure I did that right. Yeah, 4 root 2. What do you get over there? Let's take a look. Let's think about that. So it's going to be, 4 would be 16, so it's root of 32. All right? By the way, root of 32 is definitely bigger than 4. I know that much. All right? Now let's go to the other number, which is going to be f of pi over 2. What's that going to be 4? So what do I know about this over here? At the critical point, this is the absolute maximum for this problem, but it's also a relative maximum. What do I know about the derivative? The derivative over here is certainly positive. The derivative over here would be negative. All right, let me look at the key and see if I got the correct critical point. But maybe we should look at the derivative first, though. Was able to get the correct derivative. That's right over here, 4 cosine x minus 4 sine x. Was I able to get the critical point? Yep, it's right over here. Was I able to get the absolute maximum? I said that this was the absolute maximum over here. And yep, we got this over here. The absolute minimum occurs at the endpoints, f of 0 and f of pi over 4. 2 different places, by the way. I'm sorry, at f of 0 and f of pi over 2. They both equal 4. So there's 2 global minimums. They're not local, though. They're global minimums. Thank you.